Today I'm going to be doing a big squishy haul. So I'm going to show you right now. So this is my whole big box. I'm going to have some more coming in. I think I have 3 more coming in. No, 4, yeah. Now I'm going to tell you which ones I'm getting. So I'm getting the armadillo, the green apple, the butter, the squishy butter, the shaving cream one, and the sugar-filled duck. So yeah. So now let's get started into my whole squishy haul. Oh, and then I'm also getting the Bomb Pop popsicle. So yeah. So first, we're gonna start off with dumplings. So first, I have this blue fake one. Put that off to the side. This Orbeez one. Might be a little deflated because me and my friend took it out. Then I have this yellow Hermes dumpling. Okay, that's it for now. Should I do just regular squishies? Yeah, okay. Set them out to the side right now. And I'm gonna, okay, so then I have this thinking putty slime, so yeah. It's not a squishy, but it's whatever. And I'm really excited to do this. This has been one of my most requested things to do. So, yeah. I hope that's it. Okay, so first, for regular squishies, I have this cute little raccoon. It's popped somewhere. Then I have these 3 globals. This donut I wrote on. Then this balloon I made filled with kinetic sand. Okay, then I have this cube. Oh gosh. Then I have this, I don't know what it's called. I forgot because we're on summer break and I haven't marked my animals yet. Just kidding. I have no idea what this is though. I'm getting a sugar-filled one though. Then I have the baby. Why does it look so realistic though? Then lastly, I have the butter, the foam butter. I'm getting a shaving cream filled one. Let's watch it rise. I had a ride on it because all the letters fell off. And the 4 ounces of butter come off too, so very mad about that. Oops, accident. 2 Gonitos or giant stuff. Think we should go with giant stuff. So first, I have this fun banana, and I'm trading my other one for a pickle. Next, I have this big carrot. My mini one popped, so. Then I have these 2 strawberries. Let's just make some more. They're so satisfying. Lastly, for the jumbo, which is my favorite, the duck. It's losing one eye, but I don't care. I'll write it with Sharpie. Okay, so I really like that one. Now, lastly, we're gonna do Nitos. So first, I have these Nito noodles. They're kind of satisfying, not gonna lie. They're just made to stretch and sometimes like squish like that. I do that. I don't know if other people do that. I stretch them a lot, so yeah. Then I have, this one, this Nito cube. So satisfying, bro. Okay, now I'm gonna do this one. I have this thing that I think is this Nito that stays in shape. Let me find the Nito logo. Okay. Look. there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So yeah, lots. Then I have the Nito gumdrop. The legit place to get Nitos is from Walmart, but they're really expensive, so I buy them all the time off of Walmart. So, and whenever I bought the biggest fuzzball from Amazon, it was not real, and I know that, and it popped. So I got kind of mad. So that would have been one of the jumbo ones. Next, I have the swirl. Then I have the Galactic Dream Drop. Then I have the Mellow Mallow I just got yesterday. It was a random color and I got really lucky that it was blue, so. Then I have the blue gummy bear. Then my favorite Nito, of course, the fuzzball. So yeah, that was a squishy tour, and I'm gonna put it all back in my bin. It's all laid out right now. So first, let's start off. It's just like the regular squishies. Baby. Including the dumplings. Pick my favorite from each category too. So. That's all. Oh, I already told you the jumbo one. At least my duck was my favorite. So yeah. So now, from the regular squishy pile, I'm going to pick. I really like this and the baby. Or it's out of these three. I can't pick. These are so good. So yeah. Then from the Nito, I'm going to pick three. So my top three is the Galactic Dream Drop. My Nito fuzzball. Don't know why, I feel like it's gonna pop. And then probably, I can't pick. It's either my Mellow Mallow, my swirl, or my gummy bear. But if I had to pick, it would probably be, where is it? Oh, the gummy bear. Because it's just so unique. And I'm trying to get the whole family of them by trading, so. And then my dumpling, mine favorite is this one. So cute, even though it's not real. It's like still really good. So, yep, I think that was finished with my squishy tour. So I'm really like excited for new squishies to come in. So yeah.